Hello everyone. Today I'm going to be making coconut sambal, which is Paul sambal. We call it. This is a very famous dish in Sri Lanka, and let's make some coconut sambal right now. So I have about 2 cups of coconut grated in here, fresh coconut, and these are the ingredients we need. I have half of a small onion, red onion. I have 2 teaspoons of crushed red pepper, the flakes. So I'm gonna add 1 teaspoon first. Okay, and then I have 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 2 cloves of garlic, 1 teaspoon of whole black pepper, and 2 teaspoons of Maldives fish chips. You can use half if I'm gonna use the whole thing. This is my favorite, so I'm gonna use the whole thing. Salt, I have 2 teaspoons here, but as needed. So you only put 1 teaspoon first, because salt you can always add more later. So these ingredients you need to kind of grind it. This one you can buy it from anywhere in here, any store, Mexican stores, even Costco carries it. Look at this. So make sure you grind them properly. The black pepper and the onions and the garlic, chili, they all need to be grinded good. Looks like I can add more. I'm gonna add the whole thing because I like my sambal a little spicy. This is actually perfect. That's the mix you want. See that? It's luminous actually right now. Once you add the coconut, it becomes Paul sambal. These both luminous are my favorite too. So I'm gonna add the coconut right now. Make sure you mix it really good. So this is done. Look at the color. So I'm gonna put it in here. So I'm gonna add the lime juice right now. I have 1 small lime here. I'm gonna taste it and see first whether if it's enough. And I can taste for the salt, 2 salt levels. I only put 1 teaspoon. So let's see. In Sri Lanka, my mom used to, with her hand, she used to mix it really well with the hand. You can do that too if you want. I think I'm going to add a little bit more Maldives chips because it tastes good with the sambal. That's my favorite in sini sambal, anything even in luminis. Make sure you mix it well. I'm going to taste a little bit. Perfect. You don't need to add anything. Enough salt, enough lime juice. And it's spicy. I like my food spicy. It's really good. This is perfect. It's done. Really good. With my green tea. Really good. The spicy sambal and the green tea. Wow. perfect together. I don't know, I like it. If you guys like it too, enjoy.